Stop wasting time taking daily attendance of your students.
This is the fastest way to have the daily attendance for your students. First to do is you put your teacher name for the class, the name of the class, the usually room that you take it, and then you can copy paste your students' names or just fill it with something like, and as you can see automatically they put the new number, and that's all. Then you can go to daily attendance. This is the sheet where you want to work every day. You put your class date, for example 22 of June. The start hour usually must be the same, so we don't erase it. You can change it. The room, some notes. For example, I taking the class in holiday. Okay, and then you just put start session. This is your first student names. You have 4 options: present and excuse and Charlie. For example, present, Juan Perez present, Emiliano Zapata present, Ana Banana an excuse, Mirdiano Juanes excuse, Claudia Montes tardy, Juan Trucho present, Elena present, Juan Piñón excuse, tardy, Juaniquina, and no more student. That's all. As you can see, very fast and unsafe, all ready to take another day. All your records come to this sheet, total attendance. As you can see, this is what we're taking with his condition, and we have the total here. For example, Emiliano Zapata, 1 present, unattended, an excuse, and Charlie. The new one, Juaniquina. I hope you enjoy this sheet. Only remember to activate the room for macros in Excel, and then you have your most efficient way to take daily attendance in your class.